The Tailor and the Elephant. Once there lived a tailor in a village. An elephant also lived in the same village. The elephant visited the tailor's shop every day, and the tailor fed him with something or other, and they lived like good friends. And one day, the tailor was not in a good mood, and when the elephant came to his shop, he pricked its trunk with a needle. And the elephant went to the river and filled his trunk with plenty of mud and dirt. And he came running to the tailor's shop. And then he emptied his trunk all over the tailor and his shop. And so the tailor was splashed with dirt, and the next day the tailor asked for forgiveness from the elephant and fed him with fresh fruits and vegetables. So the moral of the story is, do not expect any good in return for bad. Thank you.